Hello and welcome to the IJ Daily Market Update for the 8th of November 2010. Both the FTSE and other European markets, well, they've opened slightly weaker so far this morning, and maybe that's not a really big surprise after all the positive moves of last week and the good data we saw come in with QE2. Not only that, but the payroll data at the end of the week. We've seen some pretty big moves on the upside, and maybe just a little profit taking after those long, eagerly awaited results may start to appear. At the moment, the FTSE not down too much, but down around about 20 points at 58.55. Certainly this week started off with a bit of a dollar strength coming along. Sterling, that trades around about 161.50, while the euro 139.30. Miners, well, they've been on the wrong end of this all morning, and certainly underperforming the market as a whole so far. Precious metals, obviously, their prices are falling, causing these miners to their prices to dwindle. One precious metal, however, though, certainly outperforming is gold, as that rallies more towards the 1400 level, and seeing whether it can at all test that level. Been up to the high 1390s so far, a comeback down to around about 1390 at the moment, but let's see if it can do a push and get to that 1400 level. One of the biggest fallers on the morning so far started off being Rolls Royce. This coming on the back that Qantas, well, they have ground all of their A380 Airbus fleet, looking into this basically these oil leaks and potential engine troubles that's caused all the problems last week. Stock fell pretty heavily, certainly early on this morning. It was down around about 28p on its low. But since 9 o'clock, it's done nothing but rise. News came out then that Rolls Royce, well, they have won a $350 million order from Egypt Air. So stock coming up back up towards pretty much flat, pretty much coming up on Friday's close now. So certainly had a bad morning to start with, but has crawled its way back to pretty much parity. Banks, they're a bit softer, just on general overall sentiment, whilst certainly the oil stocks a little bit lighter in value as well, going on the back of a $0.50 fall in crude. No great, nothing really to report from the US this afternoon as far as macroeconomic data goes. At the moment, the Dow looks to have down around about 55 points at 113.89.